Anna Brandt here for My Studio Books. My Studio Books is a CRM that I have been building for quite some time now. I did open it up to beta, and that basically means that anyone that purchased it has the option for a lifetime access. Once we are out of beta, the option for lifetime access will no longer be available. Much like any other CRM, we don't want to have a lifetime option for every single person, so it is a special pricing as of this moment. The beta users are in a private Facebook group and they can ask for updates, changes, let us know issues as we build this program. It's a very important part in our program because it really helps us build the best CRM that we can. This CRM is meant for photographers. However, if you have other similar businesses, you could probably use it as well. On the My Studio Books homepage, you can see a little sneak peek, which has a little video of the inside. I also decided to add just a little workflow wizard here. If you are not a member of the beta team, you can see how a workflow is important for your business. If you are a member of our beta team, I'm going to show you the inside of the program because I added this workflow wizard into our actual CRM. So let's look at both views. I'm in a private window because I'm not logged in, and you can just see the website homepage. You can click on the sneak peek to watch the video, or we can click on Build Your Workflow Free. Okay, so let's do this. So now when we do that, it's build your client journey start to finish. Let's just answer a few questions. Hit start. I photograph newborn. Do I do in studio location? A bit of both. Where do new inquiries come? Oh, everywhere. I get them all over the place. Do I talk before booking? Sometimes. How do I book a client in? They do a contract and retainer, contract only, deposit, a verbal, yes, fairly casual. So we'll say here, do you get the whole payment up front or a retainer or a payment plan? I do the whole payment up front. Do I send a prep guide? Yes, sometimes I do. Depends on the session. For newborns, yes. So actually I did put newborns, so I'll say yes for newborns. How do I deliver the images? Online gallery. Do I sell prints and products? Yes. I'll say a few products, mostly digital. How do I follow up? I think all of these. And let's build the workflow. So now you can come down and see, okay, we should do a warm welcome, offer a quick chat if they need it, send the booking link, confirm, send the questionnaire. Then the week before, share the prep guide, send a friendly reminder, the day of, give them the experience. Within a day or two, a sneak peek when images are ready, deliver the gallery, hand off their products. Afterwards, ask for a review, invite the next chapter, ask for a referral. So you can save this as a PDF, so you just have it as a little reference, copy it as a checklist, or start all over again. Now, let's say you are already part of the beta program. So let's jump into that because I'm already logged in. So now, logged in as a user. Good afternoon, Anna. Got a little bit of motivation right here. I also added some marketing tips of the day. Now, my CRM is empty because I'm the one building it, and I'm also constantly testing. So I don't want to show you any client information. So right now, you're just looking at my client of one, which is myself. If you haven't looked at our sneak peek before, in our dashboard, which you can customize, by the way, and turn things on, turn things off, and even change the name of your greeting. Then you can come down here in brand and settings and fill out the information for your brand. You can have multiple brands, okay? Upload your logo, add your branding colors, your session types. You can add any packages that you have. And there's several other things in here for your referral, your currency symbol, and whether you want a logo, brand color, watermark your galleries. Then you come down here, you have your calendar, you can click on new session and put in all the important information that would relate to a session. Okay, client flags, clients, expenses, galleries. In our galleries, you can do grid, masonry, slideshow, color or black and white, give your clients an access code, and even draft a client email. Okay, you can draft it with AI or you can use your own verbiage. Come down here to guides. You can set up your session guides, create your own, or write with AI. Invoices, same thing. You can create an invoice. Newsletters, we do have the ability for you to do newsletters. We are adding more templates. You can draft with AI. You can pick who is getting your newsletter, and you can also embed code onto your website. You can send yourself a little test, and you can add an image. Products and services, this is where you want to add any of your products. Questionnaires, referrals. We are going to be featuring photographers. So if you're interested in having us feature you, you can fill out this form, upload your images, and when we're out of beta, we'll start featuring photographers that use our program. Now we go down here to sessions. Obviously, I'm just shooting myself right now. And then templates. You can add templates in here. Okay. To-dos, updates. As we do new things, we list our updates, what's coming on next, online payments, clients choosing their images, welcome email that sends itself, more newsletter layouts, and so many other things. And workflows. So what we decided to do is, because you can just build your own workflow, but if you're not sure where to start, now you can do our wizard. You can click it from there, or you can just say build with a guide. So just like the wizard that we had as a sample on our website for non-members, now here, let's go. We can just go, okay, newborn, when a client books, what do you do? We can say all of that. How are they paying? In full? Do you send? Yes. Confirm location? Yes. You're editing. Call, edit, blog, share, and social. Okay. How do you deliver the images? We'll say here. Do a follow-up? Yes. Yes. Here we go. And there you go. And then we can say add to my workflows. Your workflow is ready. And then you can look at the workflow, you can add, subtract, you can add a step, and you can modify this and you can save it. So if you're overwhelmed with workflows, not sure where to start, need a best practice, this is the way to do it, because we need to build this CRM based on your business, and everybody runs their business a little bit different. I'm Brandt, and I look forward to giving you more reveals about My Studio Books, which I think is going to end up being one of the best CRMs on the planet. To learn more, visit mystudiobooks.com.